You'd think a high-tech state like Texas would have cutting-edge technology that validates and backs up our votes, but we don't. 42 states replaced their vulnerable paperless voting machines with new, secure machines that provide paper backups. But Texas is one of 8 states still using paperless machines with no verification or backup in the event of a malfunction or security breach. We need to elect candidates in November who will pass laws to protect our irreplaceable and invaluable votes. Modernizing elections is one of 10 common-sense, nonpartisan solutions in the Texas 2020 Voter Guide at texas2020.org.